Hello, Mark Stevenson here at Romano Subaru. Today I'm going to show you how to pair an iPhone with the new 2020 Legacy. So first thing you'd want to do is make sure you get to the home screen on your touch screen by pressing the house symbol. You then go to phone and you'll say yes to connect a device. While that's searching on your iPhone, go to your settings, click on Bluetooth. Under other devices it will pop up Subaru. Confirm your PIN is the same on the screen and then click pair. Always allow for your contacts to sync. Then on the screen, confirm with a yes. And just like that, your phone will be connected. So now on the screen, when you go to phone, it will now have all your contacts listed in all your recent phone calls. If you have any more questions on a 2020 Legacy, or if you'd like to test drive one, come see me at Romano Subaru. Again, my name is Mark Stevenson. You can contact me at 315-475-7933. Thank you.